Alright guys, welcome to my next Romshelf tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get MAME to work with Romshelf. So first off, go ahead and open up your Romshelf. This one seems to be causing quite a bit of confusion on the forums, but it's actually quite simple. So it should be a pretty quick video. So go ahead and click on your MAME. Now, first things first, you want to go for your launch command. That is going to be the exe file, the executable file for your MAME. And for my case, it is in my C drive, in my arcade folder, in my emulators folder, and it's this one right here. So you just want to copy this path right here, and you want to paste it in there. By the way, right clicking and going down to paste won't work like this. It won't work. So you actually have to do the keyboard command, which is Control V to paste, or Control C to copy, and then go ahead and put a slash, excuse me, a slash after MAME, and add the name of your executable file with the extension, which would be .exe. So MAME UIFX 32. I'm just going to copy mine, just so I don't have to type that and possibly make an error. And then you want to add .exe at the end of it, and this will let it know that it's an executable file that you need to launch, and that is where it's located, right there in that folder. So your launch parameters are what command it's going to use to launch your game. So you want to put open quotation, open bracket, ROM file, all in caps, and then close that bracket and close that quotation, and that's it. And then for your MAME exe, this is actually going to be the same exact thing as this, so go ahead and copy that and paste it. Now if you don't put anything here, when you go to regenerate your ROMs list, nothing will show up. I actually experimented with that yesterday, and I deleted this and none of my games worked. So you definitely need that. I think that's what's causing most of the confusion. And then there's just options here to remove light gun games or dial games if you don't have those, you know, if you don't have a light gun or something, you're not going to be able to play those light gun games, at least not the right way. So you want to probably remove those if they're in your list. For your ROM directory, this one's easy. Just go to wherever your ROMs are. Oh, in my case, it's in the same folder, in the ROMs folder. So go ahead and copy this path and go ahead and paste it in there. And then for the ROM extension, that should already be there, 7-zip and zip. And then I always like to uncheck the include subdirectories. I've heard that that's better. I don't know why, but I heard from someone that it's better to not do that. But I guess if you would want to include subdirectories, like if this is your ROMs and you have a folder that's called, like, you know, Mortal Kombat games, and you put your Mortal Kombat games in there and you want them to find the Mortal Kombat games, then you would want to put include subdirectories. But in most cases, I think you'll uncheck it because most of your games are going to be like this. So if you do includes directories, then it's got to search through all these folders, and it's going to actually take more time probably. That's probably the logic behind that. So I'm going to go ahead and regenerate my ROMs list and see how this works. Usually it takes just a second. Sometimes it actually gets an error. Whoops. Oh, there it goes. So it looks like it found 7 MAME ROMs and 43 duplicates, but you're looking in here, there's definitely not 43 games in here. But the thing with MAME is you're always going to get a lot of duplicates because Mortal Kombat, this was Mortal Kombat 1, there's actually probably like 5 versions for that game alone. There's you know, the USA version, the Europe version, the Japanese version, and so it's taking all of those versions and it's saying, well, there's only one Mortal Kombat, so we're only going to count that one. So that's why you're going to get a lot of duplicates with MAME. You usually won't get many or any duplicates with any of the other systems. So go ahead and click OK, and go ahead and save your settings. Definitely, if you don't save your settings, once you click done, nothing's going to show up in your games. So go ahead and put page up, page down. or click page up and page down, and it should regenerate your lists. So looks like it worked correctly. All of them. Let's see, except Marvel vs. Capcom. This one must be named wrong, because that picture is available with Romshelf. I think. Oh, that's why. Yeah, I think you need to change that colon to a dash, and then it should show up. So yeah, looks like my games are working. I'll go ahead and launch one. Let's see. Ninja Turtles is always fun. Alright guys, the game actually did launch correctly when I was doing the initial recording, but it didn't record the actual game footage because it was in full screen mode, and so I hadn't anticipated that. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to set up your MAME. I got it working in just a couple minutes. Yes, I know how to do it, so yeah, that makes it a little easier, but if you follow my simple steps, it should only take you just a few minutes to get it working. So here's just a little bit of Ninja Turtles footage for you. I'll go ahead and exit that. Definitely a 5-star game. I love Ninja Turtles. So that's really it. If you guys have any questions, paste or put them in the comments section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Also, guys, if you guys want me to do a MAME tutorial, just go ahead and write a comment in the comments section saying I want a MAME tutorial. And if I get enough people to say that, then I'll definitely make a MAME tutorial for you guys. It's pretty simple, but it is more complicated than most other emulators, in my opinion. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to click that subscribe button and the like button as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.